Hi guys, are you looking for the best dog collar? In this video we will show the best dog collar. So we are going to be taking a look at the best 5 dog collars you can buy. Each has its own features, advantages and prices to assist you in making the ideal choice. I did deep research, read tons of reviews and compiled a list of the best dog collars from reputable brands. After much research I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Spetli High Dog Collar. The Spetli High Dog Collar is perfect for medium and big dogs because it is made to be comfortable, long-lasting, and functional. This collar, which is made of high-quality 1000D reinforced nylon fabric and has a sturdy brass buckle, is ideal for active dogs because it is extremely resilient to use. The rounded corners shield your dog's neck and avoid discomfort, while the soft, airy padded inner guarantees optimal comfort. This adjustable collar features a convenient control handle, ideal for training, patrolling, walking, and hunting. Its double security design includes a metal buckle and magic sticker, ensuring a secure fit that stays in place. Quick release functionality allows for easy on and off adjustment, and the collar's width of 1.5 inches ensures even pressure distribution. Available in 3 sizes, this collar is suitable for dogs of various breeds. Before purchasing, refer to the size chart for accurate neck measurements to ensure the perfect fit for your pet. Number 2. Jugbao Dog Shock Collar. The Jugbao Dog Shock Collar is a multi-purpose training aid made to safely and successfully assist your dog in acquiring positive behaviors. With this collar's 4 humane training modes: safe shock, 1 to 99 levels, vibration, 1 to 16 levels, beep, 1 to 8 levels, and shock boost, 10% higher, you may adjust the stimulation levels to suit your pet's individual requirements. You may train up to 2 dogs at once, indoors or out, thanks to its remarkable 3,300-foot range and dual-channel support. Dogs weighing between 10 and 120 pounds and with neck measurements ranging from 7.8 to 24.4 inches can wear this soft nylon collar, which is adjustable to provide comfort and less strain. The IPX7 waterproof receiver ensures reliable performance in any weather or condition, while the security lock prevents accidental activation. Number 3. Ripro Genuine Leather Padded Heavy-Duty K9 Adjustable Collar. The Ripro Genuine Leather Padded Heavy-Duty K9 Adjustable Collar offers premium quality and durability for your canine companion. Crafted from 100% genuine cowhide leather, this collar is designed to handle additional pull power, making it perfect for large and active breeds like Alaskan Malamutes, Golden Retrievers, Huskies, Labradors, and more. Its surgical-grade stainless steel buckle and D-ring ensure resistance to rust and corrosion, providing long-lasting reliability. The inside sheepskin padding in the collar provides optimal comfort and reduces irritation during regular walks, workouts, or outdoor excursions. Convenient identification is enhanced by its integrated dog tag ring. This environmentally friendly product is made with full-grain, naturally tanned aniline leather, which eliminates harsh chemicals and dyes to ensure your dog's safety. It fits practically all dog breeds and comes in a range of sizes. To find the ideal fit, measure your dog's neck and consult the sizing table. Pick Ripro for comfort, strength, and style. Number 4. Adjustable Nylon Webbing Collar. The adjustable nylon webbing collar for dogs, available in the iconic Carhartt brown color, is designed for tenacious canines. This collar's robust nylon webbing and duck canvas weave were designed with tough durability in mind, so it can withstand any dog challenge. When you take your dog out in the early morning or late at night, the reflective triple needle stitching improves visibility in low light, keeping them safe. Available in 2 sizes: medium, 12-inch-18 neck, and large, 18-26 neck, this collar is fully adjustable for a secure and comfortable fit. For best results, measure at the base of your dog's neck to ensure the perfect size. Ideal for daily wear, outdoor adventures, and all-day work, this collar is a reliable companion for your dog's active lifestyle. Built with Carhartt's renowned quality, it combines functionality, style, and safety in one durable design. Choose Carhartt for gear that works as hard as your dog does. Number 5. Joytail Reflective Dog Collar. For your pet, the Joytail Reflective Dog Collar in teal, large, is the ideal option because it blends comfort, safety, and style. Enhanced visibility at night thanks to its highly reflective thread design keeps your pet safe when out for walks in the evening or in dimly lit areas. This collar is made of sturdy nylon and has a soft neoprene lining inside for comfort in all weather conditions and to avoid irritating the neck. With its classic design, this collar is available in 13 vibrant colors and 5 sizes, allowing you to find the ideal match for your dog. A separate loop is included for easy attachment of dog tags and leashes. The adjustable ABS plastic buckles make securing and adjusting the collar quick and hassle-free, ensuring a snug fit for ultimate comfort. Size to fit small to large breeds, this versatile collar is perfect for daily wear. Choose the Joytail reflective dog collar for reliable safety, durability, and a stylish touch to your dog's wardrobe. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.